Hello, dear students. Today we will talk about theoretical mechanics. The author of this course is Kalijanova Umidgul Socialova. In this lecture, we will talk about the goal, talk about classical mechanics, quantum mechanics, relativistic mechanics, wave mechanics, and celestial mechanics. So let's get started. The goal of this lecture is to get familiarized with the topic of mechanics. So this is the introduction to this topic, and the main goal was to familiarize you with this topic. The next thing is the classical mechanics. It's one of the branches of mechanics, and it covers things like kinematics, dynamics, statics, and other mechanical things. Um, so talking about point kinematics, it covers motion types like translational motion, rotational motion, and oscillatory motion. Talking about the point dynamics, it will cover laws such as dynamics laws and conservation laws. The main scientists related to this topic are Galileo Galilei, Isaac Newton, and Leonardo Euler. So the next branch of the mechanics is quantum mechanics. It covers mechanics related to atoms, molecules, and all the microparticles. Quantum electrodynamics is describing the electromagnetic interactions between the particles that were told before. Quantum chromodynamics studies the interaction between quarks, building up protons, neutrons, and a lot of other types of particles. We will also talk about string theory, and it's also based on quantum mechanics. There are a lot of other models and theories that use fundamentals of quantum mechanics, and we will talk about them in our course throughout the course. So the main scientists related to quantum mechanics are Bohr, Planck, and Louis de Broglie. The next branch of the mechanics is relativistic mechanics. Relativistic mechanics studies relativity of the movements and time invariance. As you can see in this picture, celestial objects make dents in the fabrics of space-time. The Earth, being 81 times more massive than its moon, induces a much greater curvature. According to general relativity, this curvature is what we perceive as gravity. So as you know, the gravity on the moon is less than the gravity on the Earth. That is why the curvature under the hole under the moon is smaller than the hole under the Earth. So this picture clearly shows the difference between gravities and mass of the planets and the moons. So the main scientists related to this topic are Poincare, Einstein, and Lorentz. The next branch of the mechanics is wave mechanics. Wave mechanics covers sound wave, and waves in the environment. So the main scientists in this topic are Hooke, Doppler, and Huygens. Next, we will talk about celestial mechanics. Celestial mechanics is covering the movement of two bodies and three-body movement. And scientists related to this topic are Galileo, Bragg, and Kepler. So those were the main topics that we will cover throughout this course, and thank you for your attention in this presentation. That was Kalyajanova with Kuza's presentation.